This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.0-liter V8. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, front multi-stage airbags, a pass-through rear seat, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Five Star Ford of Plano is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4400 West Plano Parkway in Plano.